Hi everyone, welcome back to Jack Reddington's channel. Jack's still enjoying his time off, so you've got me here again, making sure the trading tips keep flowing. If you like these behind-the-scenes looks at how to get more out of your tools, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Today we're diving into one of the most underrated features inside Signal CLI, the gradients. If you've ever seen those colored bars and thought they were just for decoration, think again. They're a visual shortcut to understanding the confidence level behind each signal. And once you know how to read them properly, you can filter your trades with even more precision. Quick reminder before we get started. This is purely for information and entertainment. It's not financial advice. Always do your own research and speak to a financial professional before making trading decisions. So, what exactly are gradients in Signal CLI? Every time you get a signal, you're not just getting a direction, up or down, and a trading window. You're also seeing a confidence gradient, which tells you how strong the statistical backing is for that specific trade in the current market conditions. Think of it like a traffic light, but with extra detail. A solid, deep color means the system's data models are highly aligned, and there's strong confluence between all the indicators. A lighter, more faded gradient means the conditions still point in that direction, but there's less consensus among the models. Why is this important? Because in short-term crypto futures trading, timing and context are everything. Even inside the green zone, not all trades are created equal. By learning to read the gradients, you can prioritize high-confluence trades when you want maximum precision, and either skip or size down on trades with weaker gradients when you want to be more conservative. Here's an example. Let's say we're in the green zone for ETH USDT, and you get a long signal with a deep, solid green gradient. That's the system telling you the majority of our underlying metrics, from volatility and liquidity checks to smart money concepts and order flow data, are pointing in the same direction. In that scenario, you might feel comfortable going with your usual position size. Now imagine the same signal but with a lighter gradient. It's still valid, but it's telling you there's a bit more disagreement among the data models. That might be a situation where you reduce your bet size or wait for further confirmation. The gradients also help you manage expectations. A strong gradient signal in the green zone? You might aim for the full move. A weaker gradient in the yellow zone? That could be a quick in and out, just grabbing partial profits before things get messy. The beauty here is that gradients let you add a second layer of decision-making without slowing you down. You're not crunching extra numbers. You're just glancing at the color depth and letting the system's analysis guide your level of aggression. It's a way to trade smarter, not harder. So, next time you get a Signal CLI alert, don't just focus on the direction and timing. Take that extra half second to check the gradient. It's one of the fastest ways to align your trade size, your risk level, and your confidence with the actual quality of the signal. If this helped you understand gradients better, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more insights, and tell me in the comments how you've been using gradients so far. Jack, I promise I'm treating your channel like it's my own. Thanks for watching, happy trading, and I'll see you all soon.